My name is Bruce Munro and I am an installation artist, mainly working in light. My relationship with light started when I was a child. It was happening, when I was 3 or 4. It's only when you look back in life you suddenly see these things that caught your eye or caught your attention. But it was a medium that I started to work with at art school, probably towards the end. But again, it was something I wasn't really conscious about, but I was always drawn to it. I describe light as it's a medium of expression that, for me, defines life. Light is something that if you don't have it, nothing exists. And I love it. I love the fact that you can flick a switch and it's on, flick a switch and it's off. It doesn't hang around if you don't want it to be there. It's a medium for me to try and understand what life is about. So I'm very interested in time and place. I feel that's what defines our experience on this world. We come in, we're born and we die, and between that is this thing called life, this existence. And I'm always trying to get to the essence of what it is to be alive. And in a sense, light it illuminates one's moments of life. The other thing about it is I found it to be a very connecting medium. It's something you just have to look at the people, how they look at light, how they live with it, and you can see it mesmerizes us. It's a sort of subliminal magic wand. Light is definitely a medium for atmosphere. People live with light in their homes, and they don't. We're now coming into this really exciting period of time where people are realizing the value of light. We spend so much time on all the other things in our homes, and light has been slightly forgotten, and it is the most important medium. And if you get your lighting right, everything else will fall into place behind it. Keep it simple. I think and go on gut feeling. I'm a very instinctive person. I'm not really technical. Funny enough, all the technical work I picked up is really just quite a broad technical understanding. But I see light as paint. If I'd been a better painter, I would be painting, but I was pretty crap at painting. So I loved light was a medium that to me is like paint, and you have to treat. You don't want to be frightened of light, because after all, you see it every day with your eyes. I think that what can put people off is the technicalities. So I would say to people, feel light rather than sort of conceptualize it.